Hello my lovelies, Melissa from Metro Cosmetics. To discuss a serum with you by Cosmetics 27, Baume 27 serum. It's new, it's dynamic, so prick your ears up for this one. It's groundbreaking. A rejuvenating serum for longevity and firming, 98.4% natural, clean, vegan, green tech technology. An integrative potent serum displaying preventative and proactive action. Lightweight, non-oily texture with incredible bioaffinity and biocompatibility. When we say skin regeneration, we mean the following: an increase in skin proteomes, that equals longevity. And we want a decrease in carboxylated proteins. These are destructive and responsible for skin deterioration. Now I'm going to express a few points here, and I'd like you to be sitting when I express them, because this is revolutionary. We gauge the efficacy of a product based on its effect on the biomarkers, the anti-aging biomarkers. And this is what happens when you apply Baume 27 to your face within 3 to 24 hours. Biomarker collagen 17, the longevity proteome, increase 33%. Hyaluronic acid, responsible for holding water in the skin 1,000 times its weight, increase 54%. The biomarker keratin 14, responsible for the skin's renewal, 97%. Filaggrin, responsible for the natural moisture factor in the skin, 100%. Collagen 3, responsible for skin modeling, 100%. And laminin 5, responsible for elasticity, tightening and tone, 100%. Love that. But that's not all. That's an increase of the skin proteome. Let's discuss a decrease in carboxylated proteins. A whopping 54% decrease within 3 hours. You might ask, well, what is a carboxylated protein? Let me explain. Your skin under enormous stress, UV, environment, pollution, nutrition, cortisol in the body, carboxylates your proteins. That changes the structure of the skin. It causes deterioration and skin aging. Well, welcome Baume 27. That will do the following. What? Detoxify on a cellular level those nasties out of your skin and balance the skin proteome. Sounding good, but it's even better working. Then, well, what's in it? You know that Centella asiatica, go-to cola, is the medicinal from which the enzymes are derived. Perfect pharmacopoeia practice to obtain enzymes in different ratios and concentrations not naturally occurring in the plant, but thanks to pharmacopoeia practice, does the following on anti-aging: treats it as wound healing, filling from the inside out. Resveratrol, the youth molecule, potent antioxidant. Niacinamide, the eraser of hyperpigmentation. Fruit enzymes for skin tone, texture. And last but not least, celery and flax extract to redefine the pore matrix. Well, who's it for? It's suitable for all skin types, for people who have premature or mature skins, who have exposomes due to environment, stress and strain, loss of tone and elasticity. It's for you. Well, how to use it? 1 to 2 pumps first. Let it sink in. I double up with the Baume Intensive Rich Cream by Cosmetics 27. It's a match made in heaven. So what have I found? I've been using it for 2 weeks. My skin is lighter, brighter, more toned, more perfected. Pores disappeared. Pigmentation lighter. More refined, more milky, more porcelain. I'm crazy about it, and so will you be. So remember to treat yourself with Cosmetics 27 and Metro Cosmetics. Come in store, buy online. I'll see you soon.